Shall we begin?
Hey there, it's Amanda Galvin, and I wanted to jump on and share with you some of my tips for using our brow liner. So as you can see, I have my makeup done except my brows. I feel super naked not having my brows done. Brows really frame your face. They make you appear younger because as we age, our brows get sparse. So what I'm gonna do is do one of my brows for you today so you can kind of see the difference, and I wanna teach you where to start your brow, where to arch your brow, and where to end your brow, and how to fill it all in. So when you get the Younique Moonstruck Precision Brow Liner, you're gonna get this. You're gonna get one side with a spoolie and one side with your liner, and you just twirl the liner up. You can see this liner is super tiny, which is gonna give you the best natural looking brows. Okay, so step one, you wanna go ahead and brush your brows, okay? Brush them out, make them look nice and neat. And step two is I want to show you where to start your brow. Okay, so this is a cool little trick. You can take your brow liner, go against your nose, and wherever it lines up is where your brow should start. So we're going to start it here. We're going to make a little line so we know where to start it. So we're going to start like right here. Now you want to know where your arch should be, right? So where your arch should be go to your nose again and go right to the end of your eye right there, okay? Boom, go like this, leave a little dot. That's where our arch is gonna be. Now, where's it gonna end? You're gonna go to your nose, go all the way to the end of your eye, and go on that angle. Right there is where it should end. Okay, so we have a starting point, an arch point, and an end point. First, let's brush these out again because now they got a little messy. Okay, so what I like to do is I like to outline the bottom first. So we're gonna start at that start point. We're gonna outline, we're gonna go up to that arch, and we're gonna do small strokes when lining. Okay, so now we have that line right there. Now we're gonna kind of pull it down to that end point. Okay, see that? We're already getting some shape. All we did was outline the bottom. So now we're gonna do the same thing with the top. We're gonna go ahead and start at the top. We're going to go to that arch point, right? So we're gonna kind of go slowly on an angle up to that arch. See that? Oh my gosh, look how these are already shaping up. It's amazing. So we're going up. Now we're gonna go ahead and come back down. You guys can see, okay? We're gonna go down and meet that point again. So check it out. All we did was shape it. We didn't even fill it in yet, but we have a really great shape now. So now what I want you to do is slowly fill it in very lightly. And another trick is, do you notice where I'm holding the brush? I am holding it all the way down here. And what that does is it gives you less control, which is actually good. Because if I was holding it up here, like if I was holding like a pencil and I'm sitting here going like this, I'm gonna have way too much control and you're gonna see these harsh lines and it's not gonna look natural. So hold your brush all the way in the back, okay? And lightly fill in between the two lines that we just made. And you'll see you have this gorgeous, perfect brow. And what I like to do at the end is just take the spoolie, brush it through. Again, we want to keep this as natural as possible. And check it out. How gorgeous is that brow? It's super natural looking. You can definitely see a difference between this side and this side. Ooh, sorry you guys. I'm gonna turn up my light a little bit so you can really see. Okay, so check out the difference. One little product, super easy. And if you want, what you can also do is take like a little concealer brush and dab a little concealer on. I think I might have a little product on here, and you can just clean up underneath to get yourself that really nice line. You can also do a little bit of a highlighter underneath your brow too to kind of clean it up and just make it look really pretty. But that's it, super simple, super easy. All we used was one little product, which is our Moonstruck Precision Brow Liner. Again, it comes with that spoolie size, so you wanna brush it first. Then it comes with the liner, which is super tiny, which is why like these brows look super natural. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it useful to know where to start your brow, where to arch your brow, where to finish it, how to just line it, connect the dots, and blend it all together for the most natural looking brow. And if you have any questions, of course, feel free to reach out to me. And if you need any other tips or need help with any other makeup, then go ahead and shoot me a message and I'm happy to help you out. Bye, guys.